Hey, friendly guys. How you doing, guys? Hey, hey, hey. Hello. Hey. I don't know what they say, but they said something. The kids are very friendly, man. I love it. They're a bunch of really nice kids. I guess they're going to dance or sing. I don't know, but they are extremely friendly. I don't know what is the concept. They're going to sing or dance, I don't know, but whatever it is, bunch of really nice kids. The kids are here are completely different than Western countries, man. Did you see that? Completely different. I really love that. Like the kids here are so friendly. They grew up really with good manner, man. See, they're singing something, they're doing something. I don't know what they're doing, but whatever they're doing is fun. Guys, my mood is down because you have no idea. When I'm drinking beer here, it doesn't matter if it's a Tiger or Saigon, these local beers, it just gives me a massive headache. Then my head is just like, want to explore. But since I'm out, I'm filming, guys. Because I thought to myself, so there's nothing else. Oh, there's a bunch of people dancing there too. Let's go see there. Oh, there's some sort of dancing going on there too. Everybody dancing here. You see, guys? Now people dancing here. This is the lovely things about Vietnam. People really love to dance. If you don't travel here, you don't know that. Well, you see that? Everywhere. They have a really passion for dance. Okay guys, I don't have no more space on my camera. I have a lot of video that I need to upload. So there is no space, but I want to just end the video because there's no more space left. Cheers guys, and see you guys in the next video. I don't know, I guess it's a birthday party or something. And this guy was looking at me funny way. I don't know if he's working here or I don't know what is his problem. Here is completely full. Really, I cannot have a beer, guys. It's just something wrong with this beer. It just gives me a massive headache. So I don't want to get headache again. Already I have it. Yeah, one thing that just my first day of coming back, second day actually. Be honest with you, customer service here compared to Da Nang, really bad, really bad. People here not friendly, guys, absolutely not. Like last time when I was here, it was much better, but this time it's just not really nice, really not nice. I don't know, maybe they got really tired of so many tourists. I don't know what it is, but they're not friendly whatsoever. You don't get friendly service anywhere. This is the most famous beach club here, most busiest one. So ticket is 200 including one drink, but it is the most famous place, beach club. There's a lot of security, a lot of people here. Yeah, it is crazy busy. But for 200, one beer, not bad. A little bit rip off, but what are you gonna do? Guys, Vietnamese love dancing. You see everywhere. Wow, this guy is professional. Yeah, they love to dance. Even when I was in Da Nang or anywhere else, you see them dancing all the time. That's really nice, man. Wow. Look at here now. A lot of families here. I'm sure a lot of people, a lot of local people here driving here just to enjoy, probably, living around here, 10, 15 kilometers maybe from here. Because this area is just touristic place. Local people, they don't live here. All hotels, restaurants, so on and so forth. And most of the condominiums probably just rented by Airbnb or people that are staying here for a while. So you won't see too many locals. Oh, guys, I forgot to mention that. Happy New Year to everybody that celebrating Nowruz. Nowruz is a Persian New Year. So, today is first day or second day? Yeah, today is the first day, I guess, of Nowruz, New Year. So, Iranian New Year, Persian New Year. So, Happy Nowruz, Happy New Year. Guys, I don't know what is the wrong with the beer here. I don't know. I'm not used to it. I get really bad headache when I have Tiger or a Saigon Special or Saigon. I get really bad headache. Now I had one beer, Tiger. Now I have a really bad headache. one thing that I gotta tell you guys, one thing that I absorbed from Da Nang and here, if you don't have few friends around you, it can be very boring, very boring. Because in Thailand, be honest with you, anywhere that I went, it's just more vibrant. Here is vibrant too, but it's just like you need to be with somebody, like your date, your wife, your husband. Like being alone here, it can be a little bit crazy, a little bit boring. That's all. Hello. Hello, hello. Look at here, guys. I'm saying it's just like a family place. Like I see a lot of people with family here. Kids, wife, husband, whatever. I don't see so many singles.